Grumpipi is coming. This time it's called about our Lunar New Year series. If you're looking for a present for your friends as a New Year present, this one will be a very good one. So you can see this version, there contains for those 4 options. For me, my favorite one will be the fish with orange. I really want to get this too. So here, let's open this series. And also, you know, there's no secret for this version, but everything will look so good. So here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Here we go. Let's open. You know, this series is symbolized for a lot of meanings. It symbolized for the fortune, means symbolized for the happiness and the lucky. So I love this design, and also I love the meaning of this series. So let's open. Okay, so you will find there contains for the 4 boxes. So let's open all of them. Okay, I do really want to get the fish and want to get the orange. So let me open this one. So open. Let's see what is inside for this one. Open. What's that? Oh wait, it's my target. It's orange. Wait, check the car. So cute for this amazing orange baby. And also there have some guidance for this, for this character. And also let's open this one. So cute, you know, orange. I love the color, and also I love this amazing fruits. So let me open this one. And also this is drawstring packaging, so it will be very easy for you to store something. I love this one. So look at here. Oh my god, how cute! I love this amazing fruit. And also she's so fluffy and very soft. You can just scratch this one. And also it is a plushy panda. How cute. And also, yeah, our Grumpipi's face looks super tired, right? And also there's a dark circle around eyes. So maybe our orange baby just cannot fall asleep. So she looks super sleepy. A very cute one. And there's a card. Look at the first item. This is my target. I love the version so much. So let's see the next one. Okay, let's open the next one. Okay, here, let's open. What's that? I want to get the fish. So what's that? What's that? Oh wait, it's the money bag. The money bag looks so adorable. So let's check out this one. A very amazing one. So, this one in China, it means fortune. And also it means lucky. The baby will help you to amass the fortune. So, you will become rich, right? With our baby. So look at here. This is also the plushy panda. And also there has the Grumpipi tag. Look at here. And also this is the money, the money stuff, right? You see here. It's super good. And this one in China, this one symbolizes for the money, for this cute item. And also there has a rope, and the rope can be taken off. Super cute with our Grumpipi's face. This one's also very soft and very fluffy for this color. I love the color. And also I love this amazing design. So this one can help you to bring a lot of lucky things for you. Okay, so this is another one. Let's open the third one. So where's my fish? I really want to get the fish. So let's open this one. Open. Yeah, fish, are you still here? I'm looking for you. So let's open this one. We got the... Oh wait, we got the... Oh, finally! It's a fish! I catch you, my amazing and dear fish baby. Look at here. I love this one. This one, it means, this one, the fish also have good, very good implication on it. And also, she will bring a lot of joy and happiness with about the luckiness. So let's open this one for our amazing fish baby. I love this one. So open it. Oh my god, how cute. Wait. This is the best baby. And here you can see there has a fish image. With about the other side is our Grumpipi's face, just right here. So the fish paired with our Grumpipi's face looks so good. With our Grumpipi tag is also right here. Super good. And also you will see for the top here. So there has the fish mouth eating our tag with about the eyes. So good. Wait, this is the best. I love this one so much. This is my favorite one. Yeah, look at here. And now the last one, I think it will be the bamboo plant. Yeah, because this version there's no secret for here, so it will be the bamboo plant. So let's open this one. Yeah, let's open this series. I love the version so much. Okay, what's that? Yeah, let's try it for our bamboo plum. Open it. Let me see. And let me show the amazing stuff. Wait, how good it is. I love the version so much. Look at here. So this is the plum with our Grumpipi's face just on it, with about the bamboo, with some money. This is the coin. So this is also the money. This one, it will be very suitable for you to put this one onto your desk. And also, it will help you to amass the fortune. Super amazing for our gorgeous baby. Look at here. Everyone, if you love this series for our Grumpipi, the new version, don't be hesitate. Just go to the other one.